This week, we're learning all about the human body. RTÉjr, am I right that you have some news to share with the class?
Yes, Miss Teach. I lost my first tooth last night.
RTÉjr, look at that for a gap.
Are you okay, Emily? Were you cycling without your helmet? I didn't hurt myself, Tommy. It just got wobbly and fell out. You're so lucky. I can't wait for my wobbly tooth to fall out.
It certainly is an exciting part of growing up, Mya. When you were all babies, you grew tiny little teeth. Now that you're growing up, these baby teeth will begin to fall out to make room for your adult teeth.
Hello. My grandma keeps her adult teeth in a glass of water beside her bed. Miss Teach, something else happened too. At bedtime, I put my tooth under my pillow for the tooth fairy. And this morning, I found treasure. A silver coin. Wow!
Thanks for telling us, Emily. Now, don't forget to brush those baby teeth.
This is the Venus de Milo statue, made from marble in ancient Greece, thousands of years ago.
Venus de Milo done. Is it broken?
Oh, the statue seems to be missing its arms.
Maybe I could fix it. I think I packed some sticky tape.
We must not touch the art in the Louvre. It is very old and we wouldn't want to damage it.
Oh, that's probably how it got broken in the first place.
Oh, no. The Venus de Milo is very old. It was damaged a long time ago. Billy Wynne, do you like the Venus de Milo?
Did you know the Louvre is the biggest museum in the world? Really?
Yes, it's true.
We have to see everything. I don't want to miss a thing.
Next up, it's the Cubist paintings.
Here is a painting by Cubist painter Picasso.
All of his paintings have shapes in them.
Cubist painters liked to paint shapes in their art.
I do too, but I also like drawing flowers.
Naturellement. Then maybe you are an impressionist artist like this artist, Monet. He liked to paint outside in nature.
I think I'm a cubist and an impressionist. We haven't seen the Mona Lisa yet, and it says here it's the most famous painting in the world.
It's right here. The Mona Lisa.
Ooh. Why is it so famous?
This painting has puzzled people for hundreds of years. Nobody can tell if Mona Lisa is happy or sad or what she's feeling, really.
I think she looks like she just smelled something funny. Maybe stinky cheese. I think she's keeping a secret. Maybe she's a spy. It says here that nobody knows the answer, even the experts.
Experts are people who know a lot about things.
Everyone sees something different in it. That's art.
Today, Mya and her class are learning lots about archaeology from Professor Dusty Bones at the Everyday Museum.
And so, archaeology is the study of buried things from long ago. If we explore the ground below us, we can learn a lot about the past.
Digging for buried things? That sounds fun. Ducky Go loves to dig for bones.
So do I. That's why I'm an archaeologist. When we dig, we often find buried artifacts from the past, like these dinosaur bones. As you can see, my job can be very exciting.
Wow.
And we've reassembled the Brontosaurus bones we found over here.
Wow.
Here we are at the sports day, and everyone is getting warmed up for the sack race. Billy Wynne is fast on his feet, could be tough to beat. Sophie Play, last year's sack race champion, is in second, but oh, jumping jelly beans! Mya Go is jumping for gold.
I'm winning, Dada! Look!
No time to stop, Mya. Quick, they're overtaking you.
Billy Wynne and Sophie Play are bouncing ahead. Tommy Stop bobbing along in third.
Oh no, I have to stop.
Oh dear.
Sorry, Mya Go. My shoelaces were untied.
And bake a cake, he's done it.
Billy Win wins first place.
I won.
Well done, Billy. Next up, it's the egg and spoon race.
Now, don't move, Egg. Stay.
And they're off. The egg and spoon race. Not for the faint-hearted. Billy Win races ahead, but...
No!
Oh, scrambled eggs! Billy Win has dropped his egg. Mya Go in the lead, but she seems to be going in the wrong direction.
Other way, Maya.
Sophie Play seems to be gaining ground, but poach an egg! Tommy Stop has crossed the finish line.
And the winner is Tommy Stop!
Oh dear, it looks like Tommy Stop has forgotten to stop.
Tommy, stop!
Stop!
Me? I won. I won.
If someone wants Tommy to be the class captain, they'll put their block here. And if someone wants Maya to be the class captain, they'll put their block here. Whoever has the most blocks will be the class captain.
Psst, Tommy, what do you think I should say to the class?
You're great at talking and you always have good ideas. Why not tell them about that?
Thanks, Tommy.
Tommy, will you go first and tell the class why you'd be a good class captain?
Yes, Miss Teach. Hear that? That's the sound of me, Tommy Stop, listening to you.
Ooh.
I'm an excellent listener. I'm also a great rememberer. I even know the phone number for the fire brigade off by heart.
Ah.
So vote for me. I listen and remember everything.
Well done, Tommy. And next we have Mya Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm great at talking. I'll talk for the whole meeting. Well, when I'm not eating biscuits, Mama always says that it's rude to talk with your mouth full. I also have some good ideas. We could have a lemonade stand, a bouncy castle, or maybe a lemonade stand in a bouncy castle.
Lemonade and a bouncy castle?
That's a brilliant idea. Bouncy and tasty. Genius.
Thank you, Maya and Tommy. Those were very convincing speeches. Now, it's time to place your blocks and vote.
The children all take it in turns to vote.
I'm voting for Maya.
And I'm voting for Tommy.
Ooh, this is shaping up to be a very close vote indeed. And Maya is the last to vote.
My turn.
But what's this? It looks like Maya and Tommy both have the same number of blocks.
I think I know just what to do.
Poor Tommy. He thinks Maya's sure to win with the lemonade stand.
Congratulations, Tommy Stop. You're our new class captain.
Maya voted for me?
Well done, Tommy. You helped me with my speech. That was really kind of you. So I thought you'd make a great class captain.
Thank you, Mya Go. I promise to do my best.